Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a full face using all of my Holy Grail drugstore products. So yeah, if you want to learn what they are, then please keep on watching. First up, I'm starting out with the Infallible Mattifying Primer. This stuff is seriously so crazy good for keeping the skin matte. And then over the top, I'm using the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. You guys have heard me talk about this product in heaps and heaps and heaps of recent videos. It's so full coverage. It lasts so well all day. Doesn't get cakey at all, keeps you really matte, doesn't separate, doesn't go gross. Like, I am like head over heels obsessed with this stuff, you have no idea. And I burnt my wrist on a curling wand. It just jumped up off the bench and got me, okay? I swear it. For brows, I'm using the NYX Eyebrow Cake Powder. I use the dark or brunette dark one. I'll link it down below. This is a really long-lasting brow powder. It doesn't smudge. It doesn't fade during the day. It's very easy to work with. It's not patchy or powdery. It doesn't have a heap of fallout. It's just a really beautiful, affordable product. Couldn't recommend it anymore. And then I'm setting down the brows with this Tinted Brow Gel by L'Oreal. I like this stuff because it makes my brows look even hairier, and I need all the help I can get, girl. I need all the help. To prime my eyes, I'm using the NYX eyeshadow base. I'm assuming that this comes in other colors. I've only got the white one, and it's honestly the best drugstore eye primer that I've ever come across. I'm fairly finicky when it comes to eye primers, and this is the only one that lasts well with my oily lids and doesn't crease on me during the day. Then for eyeshadows, I'm using the gorgeous Carly Bible BH Cosmetics palette. Honestly, as far as drugstore eyeshadow palettes go, I really don't think that you can go past this one. Really nice to work with. It's creamy, it's blendable, it's pigmented, it's just gorgeous, and obviously the color selection in here is amazing. I've just quickly set down that eyeshadow base with the creamy matte bone shade, and then I'm going in with this medium pink, and I'm buffing this one backwards and forwards through the socket there just to warm it up and create sort of a bit of a gradient shadow. It just really makes building an eyeshadow look on top a lot easier. And as I always tell you guys, go slowly when you are doing any eyeshadow look. Only take small amounts of product on your brush and then go in and blend it out. Then add more product, buff it out, add more product, buff it out, rather than loading your brush up in the first instance and then trying to buff out the edges. It just ends up looking choppy and messy and yeah, not cute. Then finally, I'm going in with the really beautiful dark purpley maroon shade from that palette, and I'm going to be really working this one in the outer corners. I'm first buffing it sort of from the outer corner and then through the crease, and then you'll see me really start packing that shadow into the outer corner. Again, I'm working in small steps. I'm taking a tiny little bit of product and then buffing it out, so on and so forth, until I'm happy with how dark and smoky it looks. It's really the best way to perfect a smoky eye. I promise you, if you do it slowly, it's going to look perfect absolutely every single time. And you'll notice here that I'm using some different, brush motions. I'm first patting the shadow and then going in and buffing it. That also helps to create a really dark outer corner, again without any choppiness or harsh lines. Then through the lower lash line, I'm just rubbing that what's like a sort of medium pinky purple kind of color that we used in the first instance through the socket. I wanted to keep the lower lash line quite bright because we're going with this amazing foiled eyeshadow from Model's Own. Oh my god, look at that. It's seriously insane. I think that these are just the most amazing dupe for the Stila. What are they? The Magnificent Metals. The pigmentation of these is insane. It is like liquid metal. They don't crease. They're not like chunky. They don't give your eyelids heaps of texture. They come in amazing colors. They're so pigmented. I could go on all day. I absolutely freaking love these. They are gorgeous. I'll pop a link down below for where you can get them from, but in my opinion, worth every single cent. Definitely a drugstore holy grail. Then for mascara, I'm going in with the Maybelline Big Shot Mascara. I've just been again with everything else, head over heels obsessed with this one lately. It doesn't smudge on me. And then for lashes, I'm going to be taking the second style from the NikkiaJoyBusiness natural set. This is a multi-pack set of 5 really super natural wispy lashes, and you guys, it's finally back in stock after being out of stock for months and months. It's finally here, and we do have a huge sale on at the minute, so if you want to grab them, you can grab them now with the code LOVE. That will get you 20% off, and it will also get you free worldwide shipping on any order over $30. So yeah, they're finally back. Woohoo! For concealer, I'm actually mixing 2 of my favorite drugstore concealers, the Maybelline Super Stay and the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Love both of these formulas. The Super Stay, in my opinion, lasts a lot longer on my oily skin, but the Fit Me just looks so beautiful and airbrushed and amazing. Them paired together is honestly concealer match made in heaven. And then to set everything down, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Powder. Absolutely obsessed with this stuff still months later. I do have a full review on it. If you haven't seen it already, I'll link it down below. It airbrushes the skin like no other. It keeps you matte, it keeps your makeup in place, and it just looks incredible. For bronzer, I really don't think you can still go past the NYX matte bronzers. They come in so many different colors. They're pigmented, buttery, easy to blend. They're great for beginners and they last all day on the skin. I just think they're one of the best bronzers in the drugstore easily. These and the Sleek Contour Kit, hands down my all-time favorite. Just amazing. And honestly, the color selection, like there's seriously a shade for every skin tone, which makes me very excited. Then for blush, I'm using this Sleek Blush Trio. This is in the color Lace. Again, incredible pigmentation, incredible wear time, like it doesn't rub off, it doesn't fade during the day. You know how sometimes blush fades during the day? This one doesn't, and as everything else in this video, completely affordable. Oh my gosh, another Sleek product. I'm out of control. This is it's their highlighting palette. I'll link it down below. Seriously blinding. Look at that. Look at that cheek. Like, the Martians can see me at this point. I'm telling ya. It's Independence Day up in here. I like this one too because it doesn't really emphasize the texture on my skin. I do have, you know, textured cheeks and enlarged pores and all that kind of stuff, and it just still looks really smooth and seamless on the skin. Also couldn't help myself, basically highlighting literally everywhere on my face. My bad. And then for my lips, I'm grabbing one of the NYX Liquid Suede Minis from this huge lipstick vault. These are amazing as far as value for money goes. You get all these different colors and it's really not that expensive, plus the minis will last you literally forever. So there you have it, guys, a full face of my drugstore holy grails. Sorry today's video had to be a voiceover. The freaking Tylers are here making the loudest banging noises ever. I'm sure that you all saw it on my Instagram or Snapchat. But yes, I love you all so much. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will catch you all in my next one. Bye!